Today's secret ingredient is Kansas City coleslaw for a crowd. We're going to make enough coleslaw today for around 30 people, half-cup portions, so it may serve even more. So I'm using a TriColor coleslaw mix today: mayonnaise, white pepper, celery seed, sugar, salt, and the secret ingredient is sweet pickle juice. Okay, so we're going to get a really large bowl since this is an extra large amount of cabbage we're using today. It's approximately 14 cups. So this is coleslaw for a crowd for sure. And so we'll put in 1.5 cups mayo, six tablespoons sweet pickle juice, 3 tablespoons sugar, 3/4 teaspoon salt, 3/4 teaspoon celery seed, 1/4 teaspoon white pepper. Just whisk that well. It smells great already. Something about celery seed that's just incredible with mayonnaise. You could use Miracle Whip or a salad dressing if you don't like traditional mayonnaise. Look how awesome it looks. And you simply add your cabbage, which is 1 whole package, 32 ounces. Again, if you want to make a smaller batch, you could certainly take this recipe down. It was increased by thirds from the original. You want to mix well and refrigerate for 2 to 24 hours. Looks like just the right amount of dressing. This is a shortcut using a TriColor coleslaw, but you could certainly do this with cabbage, carrots as well. Looks terrific. Okay, here's the coleslaw after it's been in the refrigerator for probably 4 or 5 hours. Getting ready to take it to a party, but we're just gonna put a little bit in the bowl so we can taste it. It's definitely just the right amount of dressing. Super delicious. You can taste the creaminess of the mayonnaise, but it's not too overpowering. It's not too sweet, and the celery seed gives it a really unique flavor along with that white pepper. This will be great with some barbecue.